with just a smaller amount. I know, I love this one as well. You know, you can create this one. It takes a little bit, but then you can definitely create that one as well. It's really thick density, so we are going to like spread it and blend it. And with the flat back, you do not have to worry. You don't want to get too much of the condensed glue gel because you don't want it to flood your crystals. Also, you don't want to do too little. It's not going to adhere your crystal properly. So if you feel like, oh my God, it's flooding my crystal, so it means that you might want to do a little bit thinner condensed glue gels. So I'm going to using a no wipe top coat and floating right on the top. And then we are going to add, I really want this, but I also want this. Maybe I should do this. Also like that. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Right there. I want to keep the cat eyes look though. And then I'm gonna using my glow in the darks. I'm really obsessed with this kit though. And then hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Frame. And then another frame. And I'm going to add some beads on. See how I love about Centerpiece? It does everything for you already too. And then you can still add it on. You don't have to settle with just the frames only, you know. You can add more. Crystal on. Or frame on.
And Jasmine, at the ABS show, we will have different deal for all the product. So stay tuned. When you're there, make sure to come check us out.
Yes. So, yes, Jasmine, don't forget. We can't wait to see you. Got a lot of special promotion. Also, it's gonna free gift when you come to visit us at our booth, and then it's gonna be like a free giveaway on doing the shows for every 3 days. 3 days with it. It's gonna be a 3 different like giveaway, free gift, free giveaway. There's a lot of others funny, and then we can't wait to see you in person. I'm excited. Finally, we got to meet you in person. You're gonna see all of us at the show. We also is going to be in Premiere Orlando as well in October, 18, 17, and 18.
Yes, and be excited. We just confirmed we're gonna be at the show, Premiere Orlando in October. If any of you guys gonna be there, come check us out. It'll be fun. And Jasmine can't wait to hug everyone.
We're so excited. It's gonna be so awesome. It's gonna be a great show. Can't wait to see you, meet you in person. That's a great thing about when we want to come to the show, just to make like an effort to go to the show so we can meet all of you in person in a different state. Thanks so much for amazing love and support, you know. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. So comes in our booths, and then we have so many different demonstrations with the products. You can bring thousands of questions for us. We are going to be there, and you can see all different cool tip and trick. You can be there with us all day, and then asking any question you might have. We want to show you all cool tip and trick. Awesome. What? Alright. I think I'm happy with this. Hold on, it looks really good though. Let me move this a little bit down. That's the best thing. Again, I was talking, excited about shows, and then the nail's not going to set and dry until I am going to cure. So I have all the time in the world to like adjusting it. Make sure the R is going straight.
So Team Marie, we don't have any shows set for Sacramento, California yet, but if we do, we'll let you know.
All right, so let me see. I'm gonna do this one, adjusting it quick. Nail Pro Sacramento.
Do they have a show this year?
I'm not sure. We're gonna definitely check it. Okay, why is it taking me like? I still want to see that cat eyes on it. Looks